How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deeper voice step by step at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So the first exercise, I'm going to show you guys two different exercises. The first one is deep breathing. This trains the diaphragm, and this has been proven on meditation forums to increase your voice. So a lot of times meditation is literally just deep breathing, focusing on the breath. A lot of people, when they first start meditating, when they start doing it for a couple of months, they notice their voice gets way, way deeper. This is from training the diaphragm, doing deep breathing exercises. So what I recommend to do is to take 5 deep breaths like this. So do that 5 times, take a 1-minute break, do it again for 5 times, 1-minute break, do 5 sets of 5 reps in total. You can do this every single day if you want to. There's no harm in doing this every single day. This does work. Again, it has been proven. It literally says on meditation forums that it does help to get your voice deeper. The next exercise is going to train the throat. It's going to help the throat muscles get it stronger. This does have a correlation to increasing your voice as well. So what you're going to do is this. All we're going to do is we're going to raise our chin and stretch our neck. You should feel a nice stretch. If you don't feel a stretch, you might not be going high enough. Like you might be doing this. That's not high enough. You have to do this. A full stretch. Go nice and slow. There's no need to go super fast. Just go nice and slow. Aim for about 15 reps. Take a 1-minute break. Do another 15. Do about 4 to 5 sets of this. Again, you can do this exercise every single day as well. It works extremely good, you guys. I highly recommend doing it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.